So this is everything that's going to go into this dish of pork ribs and white beans, onions, garlic, celery, herbs, and some either pork neck bone stock if I have some, or chicken stock and water. And I've set my oven at 498 degrees convection because I'm not cooking the ribs in that temperature. I only want to get fast color on them. I don't want to drop the ribs in like this to there. I want to get a little different flavor. So I'm going to start sauteing the vegetables with the herb in there. Moderate flame. Hopefully this pot is big enough. If it's not, I'll go grab a larger one. Anyway, I put butter in there, but you could put olive oil. I'm going to let this sweat up a little. If I get color, fine. If I don't, that's also fine, but it's nice to get color. But I'm going to close this for now. And I'm going to walk away for about 6 minutes and then come back. 6 minutes have elapsed. And let me see. That's great. Now I'm going to go lower this a little. And now the ribs have been in the oven for 6 minutes. And I've set them for another 5. But I'm going to put the soaked beans into the pot. Now this time I soak them. Sometimes I don't soak them because all of a sudden, the last minute, I want to make beans. And what do? Well, you just cook them. Me, I can't tell the difference. They don't affect me one way or the other, no matter how I cook them. And therefore, most people like to soak them. So I soak them. But sometimes when I'm cooking and not making a video, I don't soak them. Anyway, in a few minutes I'm going to put the ribs in there, the stock, like I said, either pork, neck bone stock, which I think I found some, or chicken stock. Most people would use chicken stock because they don't want to make a pork stock. And the ribs are going to give off a nice flavor. So I had the ribs in there 5 minutes on 498 roast. I should have put them in, and then another 5 minutes on broil. So I should have put them in there for 10 minutes on broil, just to get a little color. Now I don't want to keep them in there any longer than this. Okay, so everything fits. Now I put 1 quart of stock in there. And now I'm going to put in, pardon me, 1 quart of water. No, I'm not. I'm leaving it just like that. I'd rather have to add liquid in about an hour than to have too much liquid at the end. So that's it for now. That comes to a boil, and then I will simmer it. Okay, so that's it for now. No seasoning, no nothing. We already seasoned the meat a little bit. But considering it's like a stew, we can season the whole thing at the end. Not like eating a strip loin steak where you must season it. So bring it to a boil and let it simmer. I'm setting my clock for an hour. It's been 1 hour. Let's see what we got here. Nice slow cooking. Pushing on this, feel how the meat is. Hey, what happened there? I'm gonna have to taste that piece. That shouldn't have come off like that, but it did. Because I'm too rough with it. And the liquid's okay. Let's see how hard the beans are. This is only an hour. I'll put another half hour, no more liquid. I'm going to try this little piece that I have here. Maybe they'll both be ready in a half hour.